Okay, so welcome back everybody, this is Cryptophile and the title of today's video is how to find the next Pepe. Okay, now there are a lot of ideas how to find the next Pepe. You need to be very lucky, or you need to do a lot of due diligence and research before you ape in any tokens. Now what I'm doing is, like most of you people do, is we never do a lot of research. We go and listen YouTubers, we listen some podcasts a lot, we join different Telegram groups, we join different what's called membership programs, trying to find the next Pepe. Now that's what I did. I find a great team, it's called Portfolio Masters, and I joined just to see how it's going to work. The join is not expensive at all, and it's free. You can get free and VIP. If you want for free, join for free and see what's happening. If you don't like it, good, get out. If you like it, join the VIP. Again, nothing is financial advice. Now, I will tell you what this guy did and how they did 22x in the small bull market this year amount. In 6 months time they did 22x. Okay, now I spoke with them briefly yesterday. Maybe I'll convince them to do AMA in the next couple of weeks. Again, not next week, maybe in the next couple of weeks. And also if you want to join the VIP group, you can get some discount. I convinced them to give me discount for any members who want to join. I say, listen, I'm happy to make a video, but at least some of my members who want, and everybody from my members who want to join the VIP, get a discount, or just join for free in the Portfolio Master, the first Telegram group. Okay, let's go on and let's see what is this about. Also very important, just disclaimer, nothing here is financial advice. I'm not giving you any financial advice. Now, this video is for education and entertainment purposes only. So if you go to their Telegram group, it's called Portfolio Master. The link will be in the description. So this is the free version, okay? You will see they have a lot of updates. Again, this is the free version, they give you some updates. In the VIP version, they give you all 100% updates. Now, I will just read here briefly and you will see what is this about. So, welcome to Portfolio Masters, your unlimited guide for crafting an exceptional portfolio before the next bull run. And that's what I like to do. So basically, these guys, what they're doing is they do all your research, all the research for myself. They're like team of 4 or 5 people. I don't even know, 3 people, 4, 5, at least 3 people I know who they do a lot of research. They're doing a almost full-time job. I think they're spending like 30-40 hours a week each, okay? And they do a lot of deep research. The research what I don't have the time to do. So I prefer, like I join a few, probably join 1, 2, 3, 4 different groups, in the YouTubers, I joined their Patreon's group and all that stuff, just because that's how we do. You never know who can find the next Pepe, and so better somebody do the full research for myself than I spend hours and hours and hours. But that's my point of view. So what they're saying is, I really like this one. Do you want to belong to the 5% who buy at the bottom and sell at the top? Okay, that's 5%. Or you like to prefer to be at 90% of the people, actually that's very true, who do the opposite. They buy at the top and sell at the bottom. Okay, now if your choice is the 5%, what is me, join their project. Now the VIP group, we're handling the heavy lifting for you. We discover promising, diverse, legitimate, small and medium cap project with the potential for explosive value growth. With potential, you never know, this is crypto, okay? For the next bull run, we provide summaries, analysis, narrative, statistics, one-to-one meetings, and a lot of resource and much more. The public channel, so this is the public channel where I am. We offer education content, sneak peeks from the VIP channel, technical analysis and announcement of promotions and discounts. Join us and don't miss any updates, okay? So we focus on the real use case with the highest potential for real world adoption. Everything we share with our community are opportunities that we personally invest in. That's what I like to hear, okay? That's what I like to hear. So you can see here, this is from December, like a month and something ago. They went to Casper at 0.065. They took average profit around 0.035, with ROI profit of 438%, okay? So again, that's what they do, you don't need to follow them, take profits and all the stuff. You can do whatever you want, okay? Now I just want to make you this one, to give you this information. Okay, so this was very important for me. So here you will see, of course, this is only for the public, okay? So in the VIP Pro you will see all of that. okay, you will see Morpheus network, Caspa network, how much percentage they made. Right, let me just download this picture. Okay, better. Okay, so here you will see, let me just move my face, like make it smaller, right? Here you will see this is their portfolio for 22x. So this is what I like. So these guys, what they're doing is they find new project. Again, don't expect here miracles that you're going to blow up in the next 24 hours. This is not their pump and dump portfolio, okay? So they trying to find a good gems, okay? Hopefully some of them going to perform very well, some of them less well, some of them will don't perform well, but majority will perform better. Here you will see they did in this, the one 200%, in this one they did 570, 3000% on Caspa, I guess, when they if they wait, you know, to sell, 600% on this one, 200% on this one, and so on and so on and so on. Okay? Some of them are minus 40, minus 20, minus 40, minus 50, you know, some of them plus 500, and one of them 1300 plus. Okay, so that's what they did. Okay, so check this out. So what they're saying is they did, so check this out. Did you know that the portfolio we built, okay, the portfolio they built, I wasn't part of it, in the 22,000, so this is here, I can probably will show L, they made 22x during the small bull market between the months of January and February. So they have 27 small markup, they did 2200%, okay, 2200, 7 medium cap, they did 1700, and 15 project from top 100, they did 140% up. Okay, so the market is dumping again, perfect time to build a portfolio. So this was in September. Okay, this was in September, a month and something ago. So here you can see, let me check some successful stories. Like example, Morpheus. This is how they do their research. This is the Morpheus. They do all the bullet points of the tokens, like token code, token launch date, and like audit team. They checking the team, that market cap, circulation, supply. They do everything, utility. They do everything, like what's the growth potential, you know, master modes, yes, and what is in detail. Do your research. You go get more information. Also, you can put the link there. You can go to their website and check what is project about exactly. You know, if you want, they just give you the, you know, they give you the way, and then you can grab it if you want. You know, they just give you the, let's say, the apple. If you want to eat it, grab it. If not, give to somebody else. Again, this one is also one successful story. It was real world asset narrative BST. Okay, BST token, BST. Okay, so they bought around 11 cents. Okay, they sold around 50 cents. ROI profits 500%. Next one, they'll go science we post in the VIP channel. Clore AI made 4x. We took some small profit and we keep the rest for the long run. Also, a lot of, not always, but sometimes they do like education information for everybody who is new, like what is the dollar cost average, why they do example strategies and all this stuff. You can go one-to-one with them, ask them anything you want, and so on. So how to join the Telegram, the free Telegram will be in the description. And then if you decide to join the VIP, only if you want, again, only if you want, then here you can see why to join: direct chat with the team, access small medium cap project with potential to explode, real-time portfolio, not financial advice of course, links in the depth research, technical analysis for 100 including buy zones and mid to long-term targets. Okay, and this is how much cost, but again, if you use the code Phil, CryptoPhil, you will get 30% discount. And I know it's 50 bucks now, but with 30% is 35 bucks for a month. I don't know, I'm going to try it for at least 6 months just to see. You know, they posting like 1 or 2 projects a week. You know, even if I win 2-3 projects, 2 projects a month, I'm happy bunnies. Again, thank you so much. All the links will be in the description. You have free and you have VIP. Join the free, see how it is. If you like it, join the VIP. If you don't like it, get out. Again, love you all. Till the next one, I do I and you do you. Goodbye.